there it is, all assembled. All you need is the tools that they provide right here. The instructions are very simple. Very simple, just follow how many, pieces go where. You get 4 corner pieces. These are very easy to install. I installed it all myself. You just need about 20 minutes. That's the most time consuming part, is putting those little screws with the bolts and lock washers and whatnot. And it's done. That's it. Now it goes outside, fill it up, and put some veggies or flowers in it.